Once upon a shimmering night, in the heart of the fairy kingdom, Queen Perigal stood before her crystal mirror. Her gowns were beautiful, blue as the ocean, pink as sunrise, gold like the stars. But something was missing. Her glowing wings weren't glowing anymore. "Bring me the best designer in all the realms," she ordered. Far away in a tiny cottage made of silver vines lived Jarnab, a fairy designer with magical hands and a gentle heart. When she heard the queen's message, she felt a mix of fear and excitement. "What if I fail?" she whispered. But her courage whispered back, "Try." She accepted the queen's challenge. But deep inside, she knew the truth. To create something truly unique, she needed inspiration from the human world. And so, under the moonlight, she opened a glowing portal. Jarnab stepped into the human world. Quiet streets, warm lights, soft wind. She flew to her old friend Nelifar, a human fashion designer with a kind smile and a messy room full of fabrics. Nelifar gasped when she saw her fairy friend after so many years. "Jarnab, you're real." Jarnab explained everything: the queen's fading wings, the challenge, the 5-day deadline. Nelifar held her hand. "I'll help you. Let's make something the fairy world has never seen." And with Jarnab's magic and Nelifar's creativity, the two worlds blended. Jarnab shaped gowns with magic threads that shimmered like moon dust. Nelifar created designs inspired by human dreams, twirling skirts, layered textures, galaxy colors. But time was running out. On the final night, the portal shook. If they didn't return now, they'd be trapped between worlds. Holding hands, they leaped through the flickering portal just in time. In the grand hall, fairy maids swirled around. The queen watched impatiently. One by one, fairy models walked out, wearing gowns that glowed, sparkled, and shimmered with matching magical wings. Purple wings with star-speckled gowns, aqua wings with ocean-flowing skirts, rose wings with sunset shimmer. Then came the final dress, the queen's gown. When she wore it, her wings exploded into a glow brighter than ever before, lighting up the entire hall in warm, golden sparkles. Everyone gasped. The queen's eyes softened. She placed a glowing crown on Jarnab's head. "From today, you are my royal designer." And to Nelifar, she gifted a chest full of crystals and gently sent her home. With love, not goodbye. Moral of the story: creativity becomes magical when we share it with others. Teamwork makes impossible things possible.